Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. FX Lady here. It is April 13th, Wednesday morning, 7:12 a.m. A little bit before New York Open. I got three trades that I'm going to go over. Two that I could have held a lot longer, and I don't know why I didn't. So I'm starting with Great Britain Pound against the Kiwi, what I like to call G9. So this is actually the pair I was waiting to enter for a swing trade. Made a video on it and everything. So as you can see at 10 p.m. This is the 4 hour time frame. So at 10 p.m. maybe I should do it on a 1 hour. Yep. So at 10 p.m. The Bank of New Zealand had rate statement news, and it was right here. Yep. So price was coming down, coming down. I mean, that thing was dropping in the 1.88800 zone, which I did expect price to come down before going up. And I missed that drop coming down too. That's another story. I messed up my pendant order. But anywho, and this was a nice little area of demand right here. So I was actually expecting price to come back down here. And then all of a sudden, price turned around and started shooting up. So I said, okay, I'm gonna get me a nice little scalp entry, of which I did, but I think I did it based off the five. Okay, go to the 5 minute. Yep, I did. I took this trade based off the 5 minute, and I did the whole smart money concept thing. Oh, before I even go any further, so I see a lot of people in the comments saying that a gentleman by the name of ICT is either the creator or the founder of Smart Money Concepts. So or he's the one that brought it to the retail traders. So I just want to pay homage while I'm here. I didn't study it directly from him. The people that I studied it from is Track FX, TRAQ, MHU FX, Horus FX, HORUS, and a lovely lady by the name of Properties, LLCs, and Forex. So when you guys get time, check those channels out. That's how I was able to start training my eyes to see these moves. But anywho, so yeah, so now I'm here around a 5 minute, and like I said, this move was already coming down. So what I pretty much did was highlight the area of ranging or consolidation, and like I said, this drop was already here. So I just mapped out an area, a order block, and waited for this. Let me know that this was the retracement. That news just automatically said this is the retracement. It's time to go. So I entered right here off this dragonfly doji. Sure did. And I went on ahead and took it up, finished the pullback up to the order block, which was at, I think I took CP exactly at 1.9200. Problem was, I was, I didn't realize that this was my entry to go ahead and enter my swing trade. So as you can see, I left a lot of money on the table with this one, and it just is what it is. So like I said, in the video that I made, I said price was going to come down either here or here and then go up. So I missed my entry, and now I have to wait for a nice pullback and blah blah blah. Say get back in. So that's a Great Britain Pound against the Kiwi. Another trade that I took. Oh, this is all last night. This is all during Asian session. Another trade that I took was AU. Man, this is my pair, but it's just been moving so. Ugh, I can't even. I can't. Okay, so again, this was the trade I took, a little scalp. This is the 30-minute time frame. This huge candle you see right here is from CPI, Consumer Price Index News. Consumer was very bad for the dollar because a lot of pairs against the dollar shot up. And as you can see, like I said, this was 8:30 in the morning. As you can see, during the rest of the New York session, price just came down to fill out that imbalance. I drew my point of interest or order block. Now, y'all have to work with me. Please don't come for me in the comments. I don't know all the terms like that. I'm still studying it. I'm still a student myself. And But yeah, I drew my order block from this a bad time frame to show y'all on. I don't even know what time frame I used. Oh crap. Was it the 5 minute? I don't want to make this video too much longer than what it has to. Yep, it was. Yep, so I actually used this. Oh crap. Yeah, I think I used this candle here. I did. I don't know why the block is so short, but yep, I used this candle right here to draw out the order block. Come on. Okay. And again, this was, what time was this? This had to be about 11, 12, something like that. But as you can see, here's the range. Price came down, broke the lows of the range, then it came up, broke the highs of the range. So for what I've been studying, once uh, the liquidity has been taken out from the buyers and the sellers, then the move is going to begin after that. So what I didn't do here with this move is I don't have a order block here of a point of interest here. So I just kind of went back to my retail ways to to enter this trade. And I believe I entered this one on a 5 minute as well. Let's see. I did. So here we go. So I pretty much saw a triple top and I was like, okay, triple top, break the neckline I'm in. So it broke the neckline. I entered after this bear candle came down. And as you can see, it came right back up, but my stop loss was at the top of this wick. So, and then we came down. Another trade, as you can see, that came all the way, way further down. I left a lot more money on the table, but I could have grabbed another 30 pips off of that. But there's what it is. My target was the order block, and that was it. So I have to work on improving my confidence on holding those trades once I actually see the setup. So that'll probably take me a while, but moving on. And the last trade was lovely US30. So I got a lot going on right here. Okay, let's start from the trade I took. Oh gosh. London session yesterday morning. Same thing. I found a nice little range of consolidation here. This is the drop. Found me an imbalanced candle. Oh, that's probably too small. That's probably too small, yeah. Yep. Found me an imbalanced candle. Waited for the retracement. Now, I did mark off this candle here from wick to wick because that's the candle that's on top of the imbalanced candle. And for the retracement, again, please don't laugh at me. I was too chicken to take it all the way up. So that's how I got my TP. And this was like a 1 to almost 3. So it did hit TP. And that was that. Now, as you can see, that was London, hours before CPI. Had I held the trade or left a runner, oh my goodness. So as you can see, this was the CPI news candle, came right into this order block. Another range. This is the what they call it, expansion. And like I said, retracement. Actually, there's like two of these setups in one. And as you can see, the third trade I could have really held. And I did not. Moving on. This is the trade that I'm in now. And y'all probably like, what in the world? But it is what it is. Okay, so let me go over this trade. And this trade I'm especially proud of, even if I don't win the trade, because this is the first one where I was using the whole choach or chotch, change of character, change of intent. And this is the first time I actually spotted it. So whether or not I even win the trade, I'm just like really excited. So anyhow, here we go. Price was, okay, here's the CPI candle. As you can see, price came down, filled in the imbalance, came all the way down to 34,130. And so I marked off this area consolidation here. And I'm trying to figure out why my order block is so big. Let's see. Nope. We'll come down to the 15-minute. Okay. Yep. I was marking this candle right here from this wick to this wick. So that's how I got that. I don't want y'all to think I'm just drawing boxes with no real, you know, order to it. So, yep. So that's my point of interest here. I was waiting for the retracement to come. And as you can see, it entered right into the order block. So now I was happy, very excited. This was all Asian session, maybe an hour or two before London opening. So, but this is where I got really, really excited. You see the higher low and the higher high. When this drop happened, that was actually the change of character. Like I said, please don't come for me, y'all. That's my understanding. But I think I got it right. So this was the change of character. And I said, oh, wait a minute. I think I actually see it. So I came all the way down to the 1 minute. Oh, goodness. Yep, came all the way down to the 1 minute. Oh, hope y'all can see this. And like I said, price is going up, up, up. This is the retracement. As you can see, the low got taken out. And now from there, I was ready to mark off my point of interest from this drop. This is the part that used to confuse me all the time. So let me zoom in so I can show you what candle I used. And this is from the 1 minute time frame. And as you can see, I used this candle right here. No, I didn't. I think I did this for the 5 minute. Hold on. Hold on, yo. See, that's why I'm playing to be no. Which candle did I use? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, it was that one right there. I ain't even have to go to the 1 minute. I know y'all like, what? But okay, I used this candle right there from that wick to the little tiny wick at the bottom. I stayed on the 5 minute. I never went down. So I drew out the point of interest in that order block. So as you can see, price came up. This was exactly at 4:05 this morning. Price came up into that order block, and then we started coming down. Now that's where I messed up at, because I came in right after this bear candle. Now, from watching all those videos, I know that there's a very good chance price is going to come back into this order block, but I was already in. So as you can see at 4:45, nope, actually at 4:40, it came back up, and I just knew I was about to get taken out, but I held it. And I'm actually still in this trade. And as you can see, price started coming down. I have a TP, first TP right here at this support at 34,300. And if I get brave enough to hold it, I'm going to take it right down to this support at 34,145 or 34,160. If I get bold enough. If this hit, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If this hits my first TP at 34,300, I'm probably gonna be done. Cause like I said, for me, this trade was really just about recognizing the change of character and learning how to refine the order blocks and actually getting an entry. So like I said, I have to work on all of that, but that's all I have now. As you can see, this trade is still running, and hopefully New York will continue this thing down. So I thank you all for watching. Like I said, my videos are for people who are new to trading, want to come up here and vent because they're upset they lost the trade, or people who want to quit, or my channel is just based on a regular forex trader who works full time, who's trying to retire from forex funds. So anyhow, I hope everybody has a great trading week. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.